Good morning, sir.
Very happy morning, ma'am. What did you prepare yesterday?
I prepared chicken biryani, sir.
Oh, how did you prepare? Can you explain the process in a simple past tense?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
First of all, I took a bowl. I kept it on the gas stove. I turn on the gas. I turn on gas stove.
Yeah.
I poured some oil.
Yes, ma'am.
After few seconds, I added chopped onions and green chilies. I stirred it well. After that, I added biryani spices.
Okay.
After few seconds, I added ginger garlic paste and biryani masala.
Yes, ma'am.
I stirred it well, and after that I added marinated chicken.
Okay.
I mixed it well, and I closed the lid.
Yeah, I closed with lid.
I closed it with lid. I left it for few minutes.
Okay.
After boiling the chicken, I added some amount of water.
Okay, ma'am.
I poured some amount of water. I added salt. I added
Rice.
I added ghee, 4
Okay.
tablespoons of ghee.
Okay, ma'am.
After boiling the water, then I added soaked rice
Okay, ma'am.
and I mixed it well. And I added coriander leaves and mint leaves. I closed it with lid.
Okay.
I left it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I
For
opened.
cooking.
I left it for cooking 20 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
After 20 minutes, I opened the lid. I checked whether it is cooked or not.
It was.
Whether it was cooked or not.
Yes, ma'am.
If it was cooked,
I turned it off.
I turned off the gas stove.
Yes, sir.
Again, I closed it with lid and I left it for 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
After 10 minutes, I served with to my family members.
Okay, and what?
They had chicken biryani.
Yeah.
After they appreciated to me
Okay, very nice, ma'am.
and they said it was very delicious.
Delicious, nice, ma'am. You spoke very well. It is a simple past tense.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.